In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at how you can apply and register for the Amazon Affiliate Program step by step. Even if you don't have your own website or have never joined before, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. We'll also explore what your Amazon Associates dashboard looks like and the tools available, like SiteStripe, Link Checker, Product Advertising APIs, and OneLink. These will help you create links, share products, and track your commissions efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your Amazon Associates account, get approved, and start promoting products to drive commissions and grow your online income. So let's get started. To do this, simply go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and then click on Sign Up. Over here, click on Create Your Amazon Account, and you're going to fill out your information. Amazon will ask you questions about how you are looking to promote Amazon products, whether you have a blog or a website, social media handles, and other information, so make sure to fill out your information correctly. Now again, to sign up, I'm just going to log on like this, and if you don't have an account already, you can go ahead and use your pre-existing Amazon account. You can add a payee or someone else, and then you're going to click on Next. Once you do that, you are going to input information about your website or mobile app when creating your Amazon Associate account. It has to include information like your website. If you have a website, you're supposed to add that, or if you have a mobile app. If you don't have either of these, then you're not going to be able to promote products. I like to use my Shopify storefront or my WordPress front to promote my products. You can enter those, and it's really necessary that you do have a storefront, because if you don't, Amazon won't really know if you are capable of promoting products. Enter that over here. You can add multiple different platforms, so if I have a store on Shopify as well as a blog, I can go ahead and add that as well. You can add multiple blogs or multiple websites that you are running that are going to be used in the promotion of your Amazon products. After that, you are going to add your profile information, and then you can start using your Associates account. After that, you're going to add your preferred Associates ID, and then the type of content that you create. I create lifestyle and fashion content for inspiration. Below that, you're going to add the type of content that best describes what you are creating, whether it's a niche website, a blog, a comparison shopping engine, or a coupon or deal website. Let's say we are running a blog. Then you're going to answer where you found out about Amazon Associates from. After that, verify the CAPTCHA code to confirm you're not a robot. Agree to the terms of service and click on Finish. Just like that, you're applying to the Amazon Associates program. You will get a unique Associate ID, and you can choose to enter your tax information now or later, depending on when you want to do this. Make sure you verify your account with Amazon before you can proceed. I'll copy the verification code, submit it, and once my passkey is set up, I can sign in using that. You'll also need to complete two-step verification by verifying your phone number. Once everything is completed, it's time to get started with Amazon Associates. This is what your affiliate dashboard will look like once your account has been approved. You'll see a summary for the month and an overall graph showing your total commissions, bounties, and clicks. One of the most useful tools is SiteStripe. SiteStripe is the bar you see at the top of Amazon that allows you to generate affiliate links. Make sure you're logged in to the same Amazon profile linked to your Associates account. Otherwise, SiteStripe won't appear. Once you open a product you want to promote, you'll see the Get Link option in SiteStripe. Click on Get Link, and it will show your store ID and tracking ID. You'll get a short link that you can copy and paste to start promoting. Whenever someone clicks your link and purchases a product, you earn a commission. You can track all of your earnings inside your Amazon Associates account by checking your payment history. Amazon will withhold tax according to U.S. laws, and your commission rates will vary depending on the product category. For example, beauty products usually have lower commissions than high-ticket tech products. Your overall earnings depend on the niche you choose and how many people are purchasing through your links. Before you go,
here's a quick tip to keep your online account safe. Managing affiliate links and personal information online can be risky, so it's a good idea to use a secure VPN like NordVPN. It encrypts your internet connection, protects your personal data, and keeps your account safe. I've included a link to NordVPN in the description if you want to check it out and stay safe while working online. Before you go, here's a quick tip to keep your online account safe. Managing affiliate links and personal information online can be risky, so it's a good idea to use a secure VPN like NordVPN. It encrypts your internet connection, protects your personal data, and keeps your account safe. I've included a link to NordVPN in the description if you want to check it out and stay safe while working online.